To get started, we're going to want to sign into Teams on the desktop. And real simple, just go ahead and do that. You should already be logged into your Authenticator app if you're on Microsoft Outlook. In this case, it doesn't ask me to verify anything because I was just signed in. If you look to your left, there's a few tabs here that you're going to be looking at: the chats, calendar, calls, and activity. Currently, we're in the chats one. Right here, you'll see all your threads as far as chats go, direct messages, group messages, all that stuff. If you click on the Office Info channel, then you'll see that I've posted a few things here so you can see what it looks like. If you were to add a few things, you can add a new post with or without a subject. In this case, we're just going to go ahead and skip it. Um, Once you type your message, click post, and you'll be able to see that and see the replies. Go ahead and delete that, just, because we don't need it. And once we do that, we're going to go over to taking a look at the chats, direct messages. You can go ahead and create a new chat by hitting that icon there, searching for the person that we're going to send a message to directly. In this case, we're just going to go ahead and pick Walter. So whatever you need to communicate to you can go ahead and type and send. And you'll see in the icon where it says WG that there's an X. That means that they're not online currently. So if that's the case, you might want to reach out to them via his phone number. You can also make calls and stuff like that through here if you need to. And then once you do that, you can, send other messages to other people. You can see that he messaged me back here. But that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, concerns, go ahead and reach out to me or Ramiro, and we can go ahead and help you out. Thank you.